how to flag or unflag mail messages on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on the Mail app. In here, go to your mail inbox. Then you can swipe across on a mail message. And from here, you can tap on the flag button to flag it, or you can swipe out and choose Unflag to unflag that mail message. Now you can also flag or unflag multiple mail messages by tapping on the edit button at the top. Then in a list, select any emails that you would like to flag or unflag, and then tap on mark. From the pop-up, tap on flag, and then you'll be able to flag or unflag multiple mail messages. And that's it. So I'm going to unflag it now. And finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.